You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this beautiful Spanish city in Andalusia in the south. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places in Spain that are often mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say it in English? And this is purely the English name for the city. In Spanish, in Spain, it is said totally differently. I've got a video for you if you want to learn how it is said originally in Spanish. But this in English is said as Seville. Seville, it's got nothing to do with the Spanish pronunciation, but that's how it's said correctly in English, Seville. And now you know. This is the video on how to say Seville in Spanish, originally, the true pronunciation, and more videos on how to say more Spanish names. I'll see you there to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.